Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix white elbows and blending glitches in Meccha Chameleon. So if parts of your character remain visible even after painting, just follow along. First, open the paint menu and inspect your character carefully. And pay close attention to elbows, hands, joints and other areas that frequently show blending issues. Next, use the eyedropper tool to sample the exact color from the surface you're hiding against. And after that, repaint the problem areas using a smaller brush size for better precision. You should also rotate your character and inspect it from multiple angles. Sometimes blending glitches only appear from specific viewpoints. And if the issue continues, try repainting the entire section rather than just the visible spot. And before the round begins, perform a final inspection to make sure no bright areas remain visible. So that was how to fix elbows and blending glitches in Meccha Chameleon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.